In a land where rain never fell, people longed for the mysterious rains. One day, the sky darkened and droplets began to dance. What is this magic, they wondered. The rain whispered secrets of growth and renewal. Embrace change, it sang. Fields turned green and hearts filled with hope. We can transform, they realized. The rain taught them resilience, and they learned to adapt. Every drop counts, they said, cherishing each moment. The mysterious rains became a symbol of possibility, inspiring them to dream bigger. Let's create our own rain, they declared, ready to change their world.